Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen tools to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're excited to introduce what we believe is the best chopula on the market, the TMEDW meat chopper with 5 curved blades. If you're someone who cooks ground meat often, whether it's for burgers, tacos, or a hearty casserole, this tool is about to change the way you chop and mash meat. The TMEDW meat chopper features an innovative design with 5 curved blades, making it more efficient than the traditional 3 or 4 blade models. The 5 blades work together to break down meat quickly and evenly, so you can save time while cooking. The curved design allows for better control and less effort, whether you're using it on ground beef, turkey, chicken, or even mixing up vegetables and fruits for other dishes. Its versatile design doesn't just chop meat, it can mash potatoes, gelatin, and more, making it a must-have in any kitchen. One of the standout features of this meat chopper is the ergonomic, non-slip handle. This handle is perfectly shaped to fit your hand, providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue. Whether you're chopping through thick ground beef or stirring up something softer, you'll feel the difference in your hand as you work. No more slipping or uncomfortable handling, just pure ease as you chop your way through your recipes. Another great feature is its heat resistance. The TMEDW meat chopper is made from food-grade nylon that can withstand temperatures of up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can use it in hot pans without worrying about it warping or melting. Plus, it's safe to use on non-stick cookware, which protects your pans from scratches and damage. Cleaning is a breeze with this chopper. It's dishwasher safe, so once you're done using it, just toss it in the dishwasher and it will come out good as new. Its anti-dirt design ensures that it's easy to clean by hand as well, so you won't waste time scrubbing away residue. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this tool is going to make your meat chopping and mashing much quicker and more efficient. If you're looking for a tool that combines quality, versatility, and convenience, the TMEDW meat chopper is definitely the best chopula for your kitchen. So if you're ready to upgrade your cooking game and make meal prep more efficient, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets.